Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel, where I share with you the latest and coolest stuff about AI and technology. In today's video, I'm going to show you the 5 best AI deepfake Faceswap tools in 2024. These tools are amazing for creating realistic and fun face swaps in photos and videos. You can use them to prank your friends, make memes, or even star in your favorite movies. So, without further ado, let's get started. The first tool on our list is Deepswap, an innovative online deepfake maker. Its primary function is to swap faces on any image or video, offering users endless possibilities. All that's needed is a selfie and a video of your choice. Using advanced computer vision and deep learning algorithms, Deepswap produces accurate face swaps. It has an extensive range of faces to choose from, including celebrities and influential figures. This gives users the chance to become anyone they wish, even if it's only in a video. Deepswap is a free tool that's compatible with all platforms, making it accessible to all. It lets users create stunning deepfakes without any cost, increasing its popularity across a broad user base. The second tool is Deepfake.ai, a free trial face swap app revolutionizing digital media. This tool allows you to upload photos or videos and swap faces with anyone, offering endless creative possibilities. You can also explore its library of ready-made featuring famous personalities, providing a range of options. Deepfake.ai's powerful AI engine generates realistic face swaps using machine learning, studying the facial features of images uploaded. Users can adjust the intensity, brightness, and contrast of face swaps for a more natural look. Despite its complexity, Deepfake AI is beginner-friendly with a simple interface and fast processing, swiftly executing even complex face swaps. The third tool is Snapchat, an engaging AI face swap application. This globally popular social media platform offers a canvas for creativity and amusement. Its widely used face swap filter is what truly distinguishes it. This real-time feature allows you to exchange faces with anyone or anything within the camera's field of view, whether it's your friends, pets, or even iconic paintings. The amusement from swapping your face with Mona Lisa's is priceless. The face swap can be used with either the front or rear camera, enabling swaps even when you're not in the same frame with others. The app also offers additional filters that alter your appearance. Gender swap filter lets you see yourself as the opposite sex, while the age swap filter can age or de-age you. There's also an animal swap filter that transforms your face into various animal faces. Snapchat is free, making it accessible to all smartphone users. After creating your face swaps, sharing directly with friends or on other platforms is enabled. Engaging more with followers and getting creative with posts is promoted. Fourth tool is Faceswapper AI, which is a free online AI-powered application that offers a trial period for new users. This phenomenal deepfake app is designed to let you explore your creativity by producing astonishing face swaps within mere minutes. It offers a user-friendly platform where you can easily upload any of your individual photos or personalized videos. Or if you prefer, you have the option to choose from their extensive collection. This collection comprises a vast array of faces from well-known celebrities, influential personalities, or even your favorite fictional characters. Faceswapper AI leverages a state-of-the-art AI algorithm, meticulously designed to create exceptionally realistic smooth face swaps. The accuracy and precision that this deepfake app offers are nothing short of impressive. But the fun doesn't stop there. Faceswapper AI pitches in an editing option, inviting you to tweak and adjust the face swaps to your liking. You can make subtle or dramatic changes, such as altering the hair color, modifying the eye color, or adjusting the facial expression to make your creation unique. This deepfake app is not only advanced in its technology, but also prompts simplicity in its use. It is designed in a way even beginners can achieve seamless face swaps without any hurdles. Additionally, it is quick to render, minimizing waiting times and increasing your productivity. The final tool is Reface, which is a face swap AI photo app. A product of modern technological advancement, Reface has managed to cement its place among the top-tier AI-powered applications. Its primary function lies in its name, providing users with the capability to replace faces in photographs. The app's rise to popularity is nothing short of remarkable. In this realm of digital artistry, Reface has carved out a niche for itself. It has managed to appeal to a vast demography of users, from casual hobbyists to professional digital artists. It's a testament to its user-friendly interface and efficient algorithms. Reface's prowess does not stop at user accessibility. Its sophisticated technology allows for stunningly accurate face swaps. Underlying this simplicity and ease of use is a complex network of AI algorithms. These computations work together to ensure that the manipulation of images is seamless, maintaining the original picture's integrity while altering the faces. One of the standout features of Reface is its speed. In a fast-paced world where every moment counts, being able to produce results quickly is crucial. Reface has stepped up to this challenge, allowing users to create a perfect face swap within as little as a minute. Furthermore, the application prioritizes user privacy, ensuring that your photos are held in the strictest confidence. It's an application that offers more than just face swaps. It presents a new way of expressing oneself creatively. Reface is not just a tool, it's a creative playground where innovative ideas come to life. By providing a platform for imagination, it proves that technology and creativity can go hand in hand. It's an app that successfully embraces the fun side of technology, allowing users to experiment with different looks and personalities. Reface is one of the most popular face swap tools on the internet right now, where you can flawlessly face swap any faces within a minute. As we move forward into the ever-evolving world of artificial intelligence, the possibilities seem endless. The digital landscape is continually changing, and with it, the tools we use to navigate it. Face swapping technology is no exception. In the future, we can expect to see even more sophisticated algorithms that will make the process even smoother and more realistic. The implications of this technology are vast, from entertainment and social media to law enforcement and identity verification. Imagine being able to test out different hairstyles or makeup looks in real time through a mobile app, or law enforcement being able to use this technology to produce more accurate suspect sketches. The possibilities are truly endless. But with these advancements also come challenges. For one, there are ethical considerations to take into account. How do we safeguard against misuse of this technology? How do we ensure that people's identities are protected? As we continue to explore the potential of face-swapping technology, it's essential to keep these questions in mind. The future of this technology is exciting, but it's also a responsibility. In the meantime, we hope you've enjoyed this deep dive into some of the most popular face-swapping tools available today. Remember, each tool has its strengths and weaknesses, so it's essential to choose the one that best fits your needs. And now, before we wrap up, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this, and turn on all notifications to be updated in the domain of AI. We're always exploring the latest tech trends and innovations, and we'd love for you to join us on this journey.